welcome back. So here I just want to show you how I make my bathing salts. You call it bath salts. So here are the recipes I will be using. Bath soap is very good if you love soaking. Okay, like if you want to exfoliate your entire body, you need to soak at least once in a month. At least, no matter how busy you are, bring out one time in a month. If you can't visit a spa, you can do it at home. I'm doing mine at home. Okay, I don't visit any spa, especially now that they have lockdown in some states. I don't know. So once in a while you visit a spa to take good care of your skin. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells out of our body. Okay, and when you exfoliate the dead skin cell, it opens up your skin, and any product you apply to your skin, it makes it work faster. I've received a lot of people calling me, telling me whatever product they are using is not, why is it not working? They have tried many things for years. It's not working. It's because you did not prep your skin. That's why before you start anything, you want a good skin, whether brightening, glowing, you need to prep your skin. And prepping your skin, this is part of it. Once in a while, visit a spa. If you can't visit a spa, do it at home. Home spa, okay? So for my little home spa, I want to just like share with you guys what I do once in a while. This is called a bath soak. Okay, and this is I also have a recipe for bath milk soaking. I'm going to share that with you guys maybe in my next video, but here I am sharing a salt bath soak, or herbal bath soak, call it whatever, because this will help to hydrate your skin. It makes your skin glow, it makes your skin pop up, and exfoliate your skin and brightens your skin. You see, you having a brighter skin, your skin gets more clearer is after using this. So it's very necessary to do it. Okay, so the ingredients I'm using here I have what we call natural magnesium sulfate. You can also call it Epsom salt. Okay, so I have about 255 grams of Epsom salt here. So next, here I have some sodium bicarbonate, which is also called what's the name, baking soda, right? Yes, it's also called baking soda. So here I have about 120 grams of baking soda in this plate. So here I will be adding a little Himalaya salt, also known as pink salt. Okay, so here I have rice powder. So I have about 35 grams of rice powder. Goat milk powder here, 40 grams of goat milk powder here. Then here I have honey powder. If you don't have honey powder, you can use raw honey, but don't mix it with this recipe. When you are about to take your bath, you can then put the honey liquid in your bathtub. Do not mix liquid honey with this recipe, because I know some people will come and ask me, I don't have honey powder, can I use raw honey or can I use liquid honey? No, do not mix liquid honey with this recipe, but you can add the liquid honey to your bathtub when you are ready to have your bath. So here I have about 10 grams of honey powder here. That is 2%. Then I have citric acid here at this corner. here is citric acid. I'm using just 5 grams of citric acid. If you don't have citric acid, you can use raw lemon, like raw lemon. I don't have lemon at home here now, that's why. If not, if I don't put this citric acid, I normally just cut raw lemon, press the juice inside my bathing water that's in my bathtub, and then throw in the lemon skin and everything. Just throw it inside your bathtub. Okay, so if you don't have citric acid and you have the raw lemon, you can use it. Okay, then here I have lavender petals, 5 grams lavender flower. I'm also using chamomile flowers, 5 grams. I'm using rose petals, 5 grams, and a pinch of saffron petals. All these ingredients here are so wonderful to your skin. So you soak, make sure your bathing water is warm. Okay, when your bathing water is warm and you add this mixture to it, and you sit inside for half an hour, which is 30 minutes, my dear, all this will penetrate, because when you soak inside, when your water is warm, the warm water helps to open up your pores, and all these lovely God sent ingredients will penetrate your skin, penetrate the pores, go in there and do their jobs. Okay, the lavender helps you to relax. So let's get mixing. I'm done mixing the powders properly, so now I'll be adding the herbs. Just added the chamomile powder, petal flower. Now add the lavender, add the rose petal, and then the saffron. Mix this properly, and then store it in the jar. So after combining everything, after mixing it properly, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so to use this, like I said earlier, you add it to your bathing. I mean, this is for soaking. Don't go add it inside your bucket of water when bathing. No, in your bathtub, you add it to your bathtub, to your bathing water. Make sure the water is warm. Okay, so you add it, maybe like a cup of this. You can measure a cup of it or 2 cups. Then add it into your bathing tub. In this mixture, you can add any essential oil of choice, but I have a mixture of essential oils I use for my bath, so it's mixed differently. So what I do is, when I'm bathing, I add this mixture to my bath. Then I just add the essential oil mix for my bath, add it directly to my bathtub, and then mix everything properly before going into the bath to soak myself. But if you don't have any essential oil you use for bathing already mixed, you can mix some essential oil into this. Any essential oil that suits your skin, like you can add lemon essential oils, you can add like lavender essential oil, any essential oil of choice. Okay, so I am done here. I'm gonna transfer this to my jar. Make sure your jar is clean. So like so, add to a clean jar, then cover it. Sorry guys, this is late night video that I'm making and I don't have much light here, so you can see I'm using one hand to hold the camera and I'm using one hand to show you guys this. So this is our bath salt, all the nourishing herbs we have there, from rose petals and lavender, which are also going to release their natural fragrance to your bathing water. Okay, rose and the lavender are going to release that natural. It's, even as I'm mixing it here, it's smelling awesome without any fragrance. So if you want more fragrance, you can go ahead and add more fragrance to it, or essential oils for healing, because this is like a treatment. Okay, so powerful ingredients we've mixed up here that will help exfoliate your skin, pamper your skin, soften your skin, hydrate your skin, give you that glowing, softer, smooth skin. You see, and it brightens your skin. Once the dead skin is gone, when you come out from that bathing soak, when you come out of your bathtub, you will see your skin. You just feel your skin. You see everything will smooth out. So if you are having all this, what do you call it? Is this chicken skin or strawberry skin? Try this recipe. Okay, try this recipe. It will help you a lot. Do this. If you can do it twice twice a month, fine. Or at least, I used to tell people, do your bath soak, at least soak all your body. I know we exfoliate, yes, I know we exfoliate at least once every week or twice a week, but you can also do this soaking. This soaking helps a lot. Okay, it helps a lot. It helps to carry our products. Don't waste your cream and soap, not only rubbing cream and soap and using soap to bathe. Some people will even ask me, is there any that can they use only soap to lighten their skin? Some people will even call it whitening skin. I say, who does that? Soap is just a wash off product. You know that it's wash off product. It's not a stay on product. So how do you want to do that? So my dear, you do other sacrifices, you sacrifice and you do other things that follows skin. When you see somebody's skin sparkling, go and ask that person, so that person can tell you how many times he visits a spa to take care of that skin you see glowing. Not only cream and soap that did it. Anybody that tells you that is lying, my dear. So I hope this video helps someone out there. If you have any question, you can leave it down in the comment box below, and I will see you guys in my next video probably. So next I'm going to add my essential oil to my bathing water, to the bathtub. Here I have different type. I'm going to show you how I mixed these essential oils for my bathing in my next video. Okay, that is if you want, comment down below and let me know that you want to know the essential oils I mixed in here. Okay, so that I will make the video for you guys to see. So after adding the brightening bath salt, I'm going ahead to add few drops of my essential oils. So